Hello, good evening. Happy Independence. This night I want to do Chapman, low budget Chapman. It's good you do it yourself and know what you do and know what you are drinking than outside. Let's stay tuned. So here is our ingredients. I have my sliced cucumber and my sliced apple. I have here my sliced orange and my sliced lemon. I have here my jar. I have here my mint leaf, a very powerful leaf. You can Google it. I have here my Fanta and my Sprite. I'm going to make use of Zobodin. This is Zobo, prepared by me. So this is what I'm going to make use of. That's why I called it low budget Chapman. Stay tuned, let's start. Inside our jar, we add our mint leaf. I'm using 2 jars. Please make sure you wash the mint leaf very well with salt. Please. Then I'll add, if you're using 1 cup of Fanta, you will use 1 cup of Sprite. In this stage now, if you have your block, you add, but I don't have block because I intend storing it inside the fridge or freezer till tomorrow, so that the taste of all these ingredients I will use will migrate very well. So I put my Fanta. Add my Fanta. I'll add my Sprite. Then I will start adding my fruit. This is my cucumber. I'll add my cucumber. I'll add my apple. I'll add my oranges. Make sure you wash all these fruit very well with salt, please. I'll add my lemon. Wash your hand very well, please. Then I will start adding my Zobodin. Then make sure you mix very well. Make sure you mix very well, please. Then cover, let it sit in your freezer. Let it sit in your freezer till tomorrow, so that all the ingredients will migrate very well. So this will be served tomorrow. See you guys. I love you.